I'm going to show you how to install an EZRJ45 shielded outdoor connector on the grounded shielded outdoor cable. Take your cable, take your outer sheath stripper, go around a couple of times, pull it off, cut your strip string, cut the first outer cellulose out, find the separation point on your shielding, and you'll want to fold it back down over the outside of the jacket and try to keep it as straight as you can and as tight to the outer jacket as you can. It'll come in handy later. Fold your drain wire down out of the way. Now your second shield or cellulose piece, cut it out, and that exposes your silicone gel on the inside that keeps water from wicking in. Separate your wires, orange, green, blue, and brown pair. Then untwist your orange pair first. It's orange, white, orange. Green, white, and then blue. And then blue, white. You want to keep them in this pattern, try to keep them tight and work the twist out of them. Then after your blue, white, then your green wire comes into play. Then your brown, white, and brown. Then take your crimper, get you a nice straight cut across the ends of the wires. Take your outdoor shielded connector. Slide the wires up and through. And I found with the outdoor cable, if you'll pinch down on it, kind of get it flat right there at the end where it's getting ready to go up in there. Take your cut in and just barely grab hold of the wires, not tight, and pull it lightly to where you pull it up to where the ground is up to the edge. That way your twist is right there at the pins. Twist just the end of the wires left outside of the EZ45 connector. Stick her in your tool. Cut them off there. Cut just the shielding. And you can pull it off because it and the drain wire both are actually now connected to the shielding of the EZRJ45 connector. I always twist the drain wire around the base here in case you want to tie it in with something else at a later date for some other type of equipment. And there you are, you're done.